Good evening, everyone. Am I audible, guys? All of you. Good evening, everyone. Am I audible, guys? All of you. All of you, please respond in chat box. Okay. So move on to next topic, guys. One of the important topic in aptitude problems and ages. If you are preparing for any exam, the concept weightage is at least 1 to 3 marks, guys. Here. So that's why very important concept and very dead easy concept also, guys. Here. Okay, right. Problems and ages. Before going to the concept, 2 points are very important, guys. Here, 2 points are very important. The first one is, what is the ratio, guys? Anyone? What is the ratio, guys? All of you, please respond in chat box. What is the ratio? For example, 10 rupees is to 100 liters. What is the ratio, guys? Anyone? 10 rupees is to 100 liters. What is the ratio? Okay, so somebody saying answer 1 is to 10. It is a wrong answer. Why? Because here is given 10 rupees and here is given 100 liters. How can you calculate rupees and liters, guys? No. Okay. So here is given 10 rupees and here is given 100 liters. How can you calculate? It's a wrong answer. So 10 rupees, 100 rupees. Then answer is 1 is to 10. 10 liters, 100 liters. Then answer is 1 is to 10. It means two quantities are same units is called the ratio. Two quantities are same units is called the ratio. Okay. For example, A comma B. The ratio is A is to B or A by B is same. A is to B or A by B is same. For example, 2 is to 3 or 2 by 3 is same. 2 is to 3 or 2 by 3 is same, guys. Here. Okay, right Andy. And coming to the proportion. What is the meaning of proportion, guys? Already ratio and proportion concept completed, guys. So what is the meaning of proportion? Two ratios are equal is called the proportion. The proportion formation is AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC. It's a very important point, guys. Proportion. So problems on ages. If you are going to basic method to solve the problem, definitely we are using proportion, guys, here. Okay, right. For example, 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6. Find out the proportion. Find out the proportion. Look like a B, C, and D. What is the proportion formation? AD is equal to BC. 2 into 6 is equal to 3 into 4. 2 6 are 12. 3 4s are 12. 12 is equal to 12. 12 is equal to 12. It is a proportion or not? Yes, it is a proportion. Two ratios are equal is called the proportion. Is it clear, guys, all of you? Any doubts regarding these 2 points, guys? What is the ratio? What is the proportion? And coming to the next point, guys, here. So present, past, and future. Total enter the concept. No formulas, guys. Only formation is there. Okay. Only formation. No formulas, guys. Here. Think generally, guys. Here. Think generally will get the answer. Right. For example, present, my age is 30 years. For example, present, my age is 30 years. So 5 years ago, 5 years ago, my age was how much, guys? Anyone please respond in chat box. Present, my age is 30 years. 5 years ago, my age was how much? What is the answer, guys? How many years? So 25 years. Okay, 5 years ago, my age was how much, guys? 25 years, not a 15, guys. Okay, 25 years. It means ago means minus. Ago means minus, right? And I'm taking same example. Present, my age is 30 years. 5 years before, okay, 5 years before, my age was how much, guys? 25 years. And this concept, ago or before means minus. Just remember, guys, this point is very important. Ago or before means minus, right? And I'm taking same example, guys, here. For example, my present age is 30 years. Okay, my present age is 30 years. After 10 years, my age will be how much, guys? Present, my age is 30 years. After 10 years, my age will be how much, guys? My age will be 40 years, guys, here. Okay, right. In this concept, after means plus, guys, here. After means plus. I'm taking same example. Present, my age is 30 years. So 10 years hence, 10 years hence, my age will be how much? 40 years. Okay, 40 years. In this concept, after or hence means plus, ago or before means minus. Just remember these 2 points, guys. These 2 points is very important, guys, here. Right? And I'm taking one example, guys, here. Present, two persons A and B. The sum age is 60 years. The present two-person sum age is 60 years. Okay, so 5 years ago their ages was how much, guys? Anyone? All of you please respond in chat box. The present two persons AB age is 60 years. 5 years ago their ages was how much, guys? All of you please respond in chat box. Somebody saying 55. Very good, excellent. Wrong answer. Simple గా థింక్ చేద్దామండి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, A is myself, B is yourself. Okay, A is myself and B is yourself. అంటే నా ఏజ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అయితే మీ ఏజ్ కూడా ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. నా ఏజ్ డిక్రీజ్ అయితే మీ ఏజ్ కూడా డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. అంటే నాకు 5 years, మీకు 5 years. Total how many years decreasing? 10 years decreasing. 60 minus 10, 50 years. So 5 years ago, their ages was how much, guys? 50 years అండి. Clear and all of you? And a previous example లో only one person. Previous exam లో only one person. Now total how many persons here? Two persons, guys, here. That's why 10 years total deduction, guys, here. Clear, guys, all of you? Say yes or no? Okay, right. I'm taking one more example. Three persons, A, B, C, present, some age is 60 years. After 3 years, their ages will be how much, guys? Anyone? After 3 years, their ages will be how much? The present some age is 3%, some age is 60 years. After 3 years, their ages will be how much? Yes, yes, very good. Somebody saying 69 years. Very good, Andy. And A key 3 years, B key 3 years, C key 3 years. Total 9 years increasing. After means plus, right? 60 plus 9, 69 years. Okay. After 3 years, their ages will be 69 years. Simple ga good pet konandi. Ego or before means minus, after or hence means plus. Clear and all of you? Any doubts regarding this point, guys? Okay. So coming to the last point, guys. Twice problems, thrice problems. Twice means 2 times and thrice means 3 times. And 5 times, 10 times problems రావంటే వస్తాయండి, no issue అండి ఇక్కడ. ఓకేనా? Right. First is the first statement. Father age is 3 times the age of his son. Father age is 3 times the age of his son. Okay. For example, we are going to basic method. Son ages we don't know. Let x, guys, here. Okay. Son ages we don't know. Let x. Father is how many times? 3 times. Okay. Okay. 3 times the age of son. Son age is already we know x. X into 3, 3x. That is the formation, guys, here. 3x is to x. This is a basic method, guys, here. If you are going to shortcut method, son ages we don't know, let 1. Okay, son ages we don't know, let 1. ఇప్పుడు చాలా మంది డౌట్ వస్తుంది అనమాట, సార్ 1 ఎందుకు తీసుకుంటారంటే, సో నో ప్రాబ్లం, యూ కెన్ టేక్ 2. Okay, you can take any value, guys, will get the same answer. Okay, for example, son ages we don't know 10 years, son ages we don't know 100 years. Okay, na? So ఈ 4 values లో final గా will get the same answer, guys, here. Right. Son ages we don't know, let 1. Father is how many times? 3 times. Okay, 1 into 3, 3. Okay, for example, son ages we are taking 2 parts. So father is how many times? 3 times. 2 3s are 6. Son age is 10 years. Father is how many times? 3 times. 10 into 3, 30. So son age is 100 years. Okay, 100. So father is how many parts? 3 parts. 100 into 3, 300. Okay, now let me calculate, guys. I will get the final and same answer. 3 is to 1. Okay, so 2 ones are and 2 threes are. Finally, we will get here 3 is to 1. 0 key cancel. Finally, we will get here 3 is to 1. 20 cancel. Finally, we will get here 3 is to 1. And then, so you can take son ages, we don't know. You can take any value, no problem, guys. But finally, we will get the same answer. So, ఇవన్నీ నోట్ చేయకుండా son ages we don't know, let 1 అని చెప్తానండి. ఇంకే ఎవరికి ఎలాంటి డౌట్స్ రాకూడదు. Clear and all of you? Any doubts regarding first point, guys? Okay, right, Andy. And coming to the second point, father is aged 3 times more than his son. Father is aged 3 times more than his son. Okay, for example, we are going to basic method. Son ages we don't know. Let x, guys, here. Father is how many times? 3 times. So 3 into x, 3x. More means adding, less means subtraction. More than his son. Son age is how much? X. So 3x plus x, 4x is to x guys here. So that is a formation. That is a formation guys here. If you are going to shortcut method, son age is we don't know. Let 1. So father is how many times? 3 times. So 1 into 3, 3. And more means plus. More than his son. Son age is how much? 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 is to 1. That is a formation, guys. Clear and all of you? So any doubts regarding second point, guys? Right. For example, problem లో 5 times ఇచ్చారు అనుకుందాం 3 times బదులు 5 times అనుకుందాం right son is we don't know let 1 father is how many times 5 times 1 into 5 5 then answer is 5 is to 1 for example 15 times son is we don't know let 1 father is how many times 15 times 1 into 15 15 then 15 is to 1 that is a formation guys here clear and all of you any times ichina no problem but we are follow the same pattern guys here right any doubts regarding these 5 points guys. So what is the ratio? What is the proportion? Ego or before means minus, after or hence means plus. So twice problems, thrice problems. If you are perfect in 5 points, total enter the concept is very dead easy guys. Clear and all of you? Right. So one by one problem solve చేసుకుని వెళ్దామండి fast గా and move on to next first problem guys. The ratio of the present ages of A and B is 4 is to 5. After 5 years, they will be the ratio of 5 is to 6. Find the present age of A is. Find the present age of A is. What is the answer guys? Anyone? And which option is the right answer? Which option is the right answer? Okay, listen guys here. First I am going to basic method. After that shortcut method చెప్తాను. ఆ తర్వాత no need pen and paper అండి. Okay, 3 ways లో problem solve చేద్దాం. I think very dead easy problem guys here. Right. The given information A and B, the present age is how many parts guys here? 4 parts and 4 is to 5. A is 4 parts, B is 5 parts. So their ages we don't know guys. Okay, their ages we don't know. Let x. But age ratio is given. A is 4 parts, B is 5 parts. Then 4x is to 5x guys here. Okay. So somebody saying answer very good, excellent Andy. 4x is to 5x. Alright Andy. Read the next statement. After 5 years, after means plus. Then 4x plus 5 is to 5x plus 5 is equal to the ratio is how much? 5 is to 6 and 5 is to 6. So look like a proportion. For example, A, B, C and D. What is the proportion formation? AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC. Look at the screen guys here carefully. So 6 into 4x plus 5 is equal to 5 into 5x plus 5. Right? 6 4s are 24x. 6 5s are 30 is equal to 5 5s are 25x. Again 5 5s are 25. Right? 25x minus 24x. X is equal to 30 minus 25. 5. X value is how many years guys? 5 years. We have to find out the present age of A. A is how many parts guys here? 4x. A is equal to 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. Which option is the right answer? Option A is the right answer guys. Clear and all of you? Any doubts regarding basic method guys? All of you please respond in chat box. Any doubts regarding basic method? Okay, right. If you are going to basic method, definitely we are taking 2 to 3 minutes time. I think it's a waste of time. I want to answer just within fraction of seconds without pen guys here. Okay, right ending. I'm going to use shortcut method guys. Look at the screen guys here. The given information A is to B is 4 is to 5. After 5 years, so the ratio is how much? 5 is to 6 and look at the screen guys carefully. After అన్న ఎగో అన్న ఇలా మిడిల్ నోట్ చేయండి సేమ్ షార్ట్ కట్ వర్కౌట్ అవుతుందండి ఆఫ్టర్ అన్న ఎగో అన్న సో సేమ్ షార్ట్ కట్ వర్కౌట్ అవుతుంది ఇలా మిడిల్ నోట్ చేయండి రైట్ మీకు అర్థం అవ్వడానికి మాత్రమే 3 స్టెప్స్ చెప్తాను, అదర్వైజ్ నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్ అండి. ద ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ ఈస్ క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్, చెక్ ద డిఫరెన్స్. ఓకే, వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్? క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్, చెక్ ద difference. 6 fours are 24, 5 fives are 25, 24 25 difference is how much? 1. Okay, not a minus 1 అండి. సో ఎందుకు నాట్ a minus 1 అంటే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మై ఏజ్ ఇస్ 30 years, యువర్ ఏజ్ ఇస్ 20 years. సో హౌ మెనీ ఇయర్స్ డిఫరెన్స్ అంటే 10 years డిఫరెన్స్ అని చెప్తాం, అంతేగాని -10 అని చెప్తామా? నో అండి. టోటల్ ఎంటర్ ది కాన్సెప్ట్ లో సో నెగటివ్ ఆన్సర్స్ ఉండవు. ఎందుకంటే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఆన్ ఏజెస్ అంటే ఏజెస్ లో మనం -10 years అని చెప్పాం, 10 years డిఫరెన్స్ ఉందని చెప్తాం అంతే. రైట్, దట్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్. వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్? క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్, చెక్ ద డిఫరెన్స్. నెక్స్ట్, కమింగ్ టు ద second step, check the second ratio difference. Check the second ratio difference. What is the second ratio? 5 is to 6. Difference is how much? 1. 5, 6 difference is how much? 1. That is the second step. Okay. And coming to the third step, multiplication into step 2 difference by step 1 difference. Okay. We have to find out the percentage of A. A is how many parts here? 4 parts. After how many years? 5 years. 5 fours are 20. It is a multiplication. And step 2 difference is how much? 1. By step 1 difference is how much? 1 is equal to 20 years. A present age is how many guys? How much guys? 20 years. Clear and all of you? Any doubts regarding shortcut method guys? Right, Andy. If you are going to shortcut method also, definitely we are taking 2 to 3 minutes time. I think it's a waste of time, Andy. I want to answer just within fraction of seconds or without pen guys here. Okay, right, Andy. The given information మీకు అర్థం అవడానికి మాత్రం రాస్తున్నాండి, అదర్వైజ్ నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్, నో నీడ్ పెన్ అండ్ పేపర్ అండి. The given information A is to B is 4 is to 5. After 5 years, the ratio is 5 is to 6. We have to find out the present age of A. 20 years, 30 years, 41 years అండి. ఓకే, రైట్. సో ప్రాబ్లమ్ ని కొంచెం క్లియర్ గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేద్దామండి. రైట్, ఇంతక నుంచి చూడండి, ఇక్కడ స్క్రీన్ అనేది రొటేట్ అవుతూ ఉందండి. ఇక్కడ ఒక టైమర్ అనేది రొటేట్ అవుతూ ఉంది. ఈ టైమర్ ఏంటంటే 30 సెకండ్స్ చాలండి ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి. ఓన్లీ 30 సెకండ్స్ ఎనఫ్ అండి. రైట్, ఒకసారి చెక్ చేద్దాం మనం 30 సెకండ్స్ సాల్వ్ చేస్తామా లేదా అనేది. ఓకే, we have to find out the present age of A and D. Right, A is how many parts here? 4 parts. After 5 years, A is how many parts here? 5 parts. B తో మనకు అవసరం లేదండి. We have to find out the present age of A. Right, look at the screen guys here. We are going to option verification. Option తీసుకెళ్ళి క్వశ్చన్ లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేద్దామండి. Right, what is the first option here? 20. 20 is a multiples of 4 guys. Yes, 4 5s are 20. After 5 years, already you know, after means plus 20 plus 5, 25. 25 is a multiples of 5. Yes, 5 5s are 25. So that's why option 1 is the right answer. ఇంకా 13 seconds ఉందండి టైం, ఇంకా 13 seconds ఉంది మనకి. క్లియర్ అండ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ? అంటే ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ఎంత ఫాస్ట్ గా సాల్వ్ చేసాం, అయితే 17 seconds లో మనము ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ చేసామండి. ఓకే, కావాలంటే రిమైనింగ్ ఆప్షన్ కూడా చెక్ చేసుకోండి. 30 is a multiples of 4 ah? No అండి, that's why option 2 is the wrong answer అండి. Next, 41 is a multiples of 4 ah? No అండి, option C is the wrong option అండి. That's why option 1 is the right answer. Okay, so 20 is a multiples of 4. Yes, 4 5s are 20. After 5 years అన్నాడు, 20 plus 5, 25. 25 is a multiples of 5. Yes, 5 5s are 25. That's why option 1 is the right answer అండి. ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం కాబట్టి మీకు క్లియర్ గా క్లారిటీగా చెప్పానండి ఇక్కడ నేను. బట్ రిమైనింగ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అనేవి మనం ఫాస్ట్ గా సాల్వ్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోదాం. ఐ థింక్ నో నీడ్ పెన్ అండ్ పేపర్. క్లియర్ అండ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ? ఎనీ డౌట్స్ రిగార్డింగ్ ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం గైస్? ఓకే, రైట్ అండి. అండ్ మూవ్ ఆన్ టు నెక్స్ట్ వన్. ఫాస్ట్ అండి, ఐ థింక్ నో నీడ్ పెన్ అండ్ పేపర్ ఇంకా. Present age of A and B are in the ratio of 5 is to 4 respectively. After 3 years, age ratio will become 11 is to 9. What is the present age of B? Fast చెప్పండి. What is the answer, guys? I think no need pen and paper. First read the question properly. We'll get the answer. Go through option verification. Okay, right, Andy. We have to find out the percentage of B. Present B, so many parts? 4 parts. Somebody saying answer, very good, excellent. 24 is the right answer, Andy. So, and after 3 years, B, so many parts here? 9 parts. A to manaki avasram ledandi ikkada. Okay, we have to find out the only percentage of B and D. Right. What is the first option? 20. 20 is a multiples of 4 and D. Yes. 4 5 is a 20. After 3 years and D. After enter plus 20 plus 3. 23. 23 is a multiples of 9. No and D. That's why option 1 is the wrong option and D. And move on to second option. What is the second option? 24. 24 is a multiples of 4. Yes, 4 6 are 24. After 3 years, 24 plus 3, 27. 27 is a multiples of 9. Yes, 9 3s are 27. That's why option 2 is the right answer. Okay, B present age is how much, guys? 24 years. Clear and all of you? If you are going to shortcut method, if you are going to basic method, we'll get the same answer and we'll get the same answer. సో కావాలంటే మీరు షార్ట్ కట్ మెథడ్ ఒకసారి అప్లై చేసుకొని చూడండి, విల్ గెట్ ద సేమ్ ఆన్సర్, నో ఇష్యూ. ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. వాట్ ఇస్ ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్? క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్, చెక్ ద డిఫరెన్స్. 9 5s are 45, 11 4s are 44. Difference is how much? 1. What is the second step? Check the second ratio difference. What is the third step? Multiplication. After how many years? 3 years. So 3 4s are 12 into step 2 difference by step 1 difference. 12 2s are 24. That's why option 2 is the right answer, guys. Clear and all of you? Okay, right. Move on to next one, Andy. The ratio of the present ages of two brothers is 1 is to 2. And 5 years back, the ratio was 1 is to 3. What will be the ratio of their ages after 5 years? Their ages after 5 years, Andy. What is the answer, guys? First, find out the first brother age, second brother age. Okay, 5 years back. Ago on okay. So back and after same shortcut workout అవుతుందండి. What is the first step? Cross multiplication. 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 2, 2. Difference is how much? 1. So 1 key, 3 key difference is how much? 2. First find out the first brother age. First brother age. First brother is how many parts here? 1 part. How many years back? 5 years back. 1 into 5, 5. Into step 2 difference by step 1 difference. First brother age is how many years, guys? 10 years. And find out the second brother age. Second brother is how many parts here? 2 parts. 5 2s are 10 into step 2 difference by step 1 difference. 10 2s are 20. So second brother age is how much, guys? 20 years. Okay, right. We have to find out the after 5 years age ratio. After 5 years and after means plus. So 10 plus 5, 15. 20 plus 5, 25. So find out the ratio. 5 3s are and 5 5s are. 3 is to 5. So which option is the right answer? Option B is the right answer, guys. Clear and all of you? Yes, yes. Somebody saying answer. Very good, excellent, and Okay, right, and move on to next one. The present age of father is 5 times the age of his son. 5 years ago, the age of father was 10 times the age of his son at that time. How old is father at present? Very good question, Andy. I think no need pen and paper. If you are going to option verification, we'll get the answer, guys. Anyone, please respond in chat box which option is the right answer. Small topic, guys. Small topic. Yes, very good, very good. And somebody saying answer, very good. Right. First is the first statement, guys here. Okay, ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ లో అద్భుతాలు ఏమి ఉండవండి. క్వశ్చన్ ప్రాపర్ గా రీడ్ చేస్తే చాలు, ఫార్మేషన్ చేస్తే చాలండి. సో నో ఫార్ములాస్, గైస్. The present age of father is 5 times the age of his son. Son is we don't know. Let one. Father is how many times? 5 times. 1 into 5, 5. 5 years back, the ratio, the 5 years back, the age of father was 10 times. 5 years ago also, son is we don't know. Let one. Father is how many times? 10 times. 1 into 10, 10. Okay, when the problem solved, go through option verification. What is the first option? 45. 45 is a multiples of 5. Yes, 5 9 is a 45. 5 years ago. Ago means minus. 45 minus 5. 40. 40 is a multiples of 10. Yes. So 10 fours are 40. So that's why first option is the right answer, guys. Okay. So check the remaining options also. Not satisfied. So 50. 50 is a multiples of 5. Yes. 5 tens are 50. 5 years ago. 50 minus 5. 45. 45 is a multiples of 10. No. That's why wrong. Next. Move on to next one. 60. 60 is a multiples of 5. Yes. 5 12s are 60. 5 years ago. 60 minus 5. 55. 55 is a multiples of 10. No. That's why wrong. First option is the right answer. Clear and all of you? Say yes or no. I think no need pen and paper, guys. And move on to next one. 4 years ago, the ratio of the ages of A and B was 2 is to 3. And after 4 years, it will become 5 is to 7. Find their present age. And the two persons' ages find out. What is the answer, guys? Which option is the right answer? All of you, please respond in chat box. I think no need pen and paper, guys. All of you, yes, somebody saying 40 and 56 years. Very good, excellent. I think it's a wrong answer. Let me check. No issue, Andy. I think no need pen and paper, Andy. We explain use చేస్తున్నాం కానీ అదర్వైజ్ నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్ అండి. ఎందుకంటే ఎగ్జామ్లో మనం ఎవరికి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసి చూపించాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఓకే, రైట్ అండి. What is the first option, guys? I'm going to option verification, guys. Okay, what is the first option? 36 and 40 years, right? 4 years ago. What is the first statement? 4 years ago. Already you know ago means minus. So 4 years ago, first person age is how much? 36 minus 4, 32, and 40 minus 4, 36. Option verification. Okay, 32 is a multiples of 2. Yes. Okay, 36 is a multiples of 3. Yes. And next, What is the next statement? After 4 years. After means plus. After means plus. Right. Simple ga check చేద్దామండి ఇక్కడ 36 plus 4 40. 40 is the multiples of 5. Yes. So 40 plus 4 44. 44 is the multiples of 7. No. So that's why first option is the wrong option, guys. So that's why first option is the wrong option. Is it clear, guys, all of you? First option verification. Right. Coming to the second option. What is the second option? 32 and 48, guys, here. 32 and 48. 4 years ago, guys, here. 4 years ago. Simple ga check chedamandi. 48 minus 4. 44. 44 is the multiples of 3. No. That's why wrong, guys. Okay. That's why wrong. And remaining మొత్తం check చేయదండి. Time waste చేసుకోవద్దు. ఓకేనా నెక్స్ట్ 40 and 56 అండి 40 and 56 సింపుల్ గా చెక్ చేయండి ఇక్కడ ఓకే సో 2 తో ఏవైనా మల్టిప్లై అవుతాం మనకి అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ 4 years ago 56 minus 4 ఎంత అండి 52 52 is a multiples of 3 guys 52 is a multiples of 3 no అండి that's why wrong అండి ఓకేనా 52 is a multiples of 3 no, that's why wrong. So that's why option 4 is the right answer అండి అంటే చెక్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం ఉందంటారా నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్ అండి వై బికాస్ ఇక్కడ 4 ఆప్షన్స్ ఇచ్చారు 4 ఆప్షన్స్ లో ఫస్ట్ 3 ఆప్షన్స్ రాంగ్ అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి ఆప్షన్ 4 ఇస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్ అండ్ మీనింగ్ అండి ఆప్షన్ 4 ఇస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్ అండ్ మీనింగ్ అండి ఓకే రైట్ కావాలంటే మీకోసం చెక్ చేస్తాను 36 and 52 years అండి 4 years ago అన్నారు 4 years ago right 36 minus 4 anta 32 32 is a multiples of 2 yes satisfied 52 minus 4 anta andi 48 andi 48 is a multiples of 3 andi yes okay and next after 4 years annaru after 4 years 36 plus 4 enta andi 40 40 is a multiples of 5 andi yes 5 eights of 40 52 plus 4 enta andi 56 andi 56 is a multiples of 7 andi yes 7 eights of 56 andi all conditions are satisfied that's why option 4 is the right answer guys clear and all of you exam lo check cheyadandi first 3 options wrong ante meaning enti option 4 is the right answer and meaning andi clear and all of you ఇంకొక ఫిఫ్త్ ఆప్షన్ ఉంటే అప్పుడు చెక్ చేయండి otherwise not required is it clear guys all of you any doubts regarding this problem right andy and move on to next okay we are going to very slow right should I increase my speed guys should I increase my speed or continue the same path same speed okay and move on to next one guys Shiva is 40 years old and Ritu is 60 years old. How many years ago was the ratio of their ages 3 is to 5? So I think no need pen and paper guys here. What is the answer? Shiva is 40 years old and Ritu is 60 years old. How many years ago? Ago means minus. How many years we don't know. Let x. But so ratio is given 3 is to 5 and simple ga option verification. Somebody saying answer guys. Very good, excellent and okay. How many years? First go through the option verification. What is the first option? 10. Ago means minus. Right? 40 minus 10 30, 60 minus 10, 50, 0, 0 cancel, 3 is to 5. Satisfy or not? Yes, satisfy. That's why option 1 is the right answer, guys. Clear and all of you? I think no need pen and paper and any doubts regarding this problem, guys? Right, move on to next one and fast చెప్పేసేయండి. The ratio of the ages of two persons is 4 is to 5. Sorry, 4 is to 7. And the age of one of them is greater than that of the other by 30 years. The sum of their ages is. Very simple question అండి. Yes, very good. Somebody saying answer 110. Very good. Okay. So two persons age ratio is 4 is to 7. And the age of one of them is greater than other by 30 years and 30. Greater than or less than, first check the difference, guys. Here. First check the difference. 4, 7. Difference is how much? 3 parts. So 3 parts is equal to how many years greater than 30 years? 3 parts is equal to 30 years. One part is how much, guys? So 3 ones are 3 tens are. One part is how much? 10 years. Find out the first person age. First person is how many parts? 4 parts. One part is how much? 10 years. 4 into 10, 40. Second person is 7 parts. 7 into 10, 70. The sum of our age is how much? 40 plus 70, 110. That's why option 1 is the right answer, guys. Clear and all of you? And move on to next one, guys. I am 3 times as old as my son. 15 years hence, I will be twice as old as my son. The sum of our ages is. The sum of our ages is. What is the answer, guys? Anyone? Which option is the right answer? I think no need pen and paper, guys. First read the question properly. We'll get the answer. First read the question properly. We'll get the answer. I am 3 times as old as my son. My son age is, I don't know, let one. I am how many times? 3 times. 1 into 3, 3. 15 years hence, I will be twice. 15 years hence also, my son age is, I don't know, let one. I am how many times? 2 times. Okay? Twice. Twice means 2 times. Right. Very good. Somebody saying answer, guys. 60 years. Very good. Excellent. Right అండి. So the sum of our ages, the sum total age find out చేద్దామండి ఇక్కడ. Right. Go through option verification అండి. Sum కాబట్టి మొత్తం యాడ్ చేయండి. 3 plus 1 4 parts. Next 2 plus 1 3 parts. Go through option verification. Right. 60. 60 is a multiples of 4. Yes. 4 15 are 60. 60 is a multiples of 3. Yes. 320 60. So that's why first option is the right answer, guys. Okay, 60 years. The sum of our ages is how much? 60 years. Take the remaining options also, no problem, guys. So 40 is a multiples of 4. Yes. 40 is a multiples of 3. No, that's why wrong. Next, 30 is a multiples of 4. No, that's why wrong. Only option 1 is satisfy all conditions. That's why option 1 is the right answer, guys. Clear and all of you? So any doubts regarding this problem, guys? Okay, move on to next one. The difference between the present ages of Praveen and Javed is 4 years. The ratio of their ages after 5 years will be 9 is to 8. What is Praveen's age at present? Good question, Andy. What is the answer? I think no need pen and paper, Andy. Which option is the right answer, guys? 31 years. Very good, excellent. And somebody saying answer. Very good, excellent. Right, and let me check. The difference of The difference between the present ages of Praveen and Javed is how many years, Andy? 4 years, anta. So 9 plus 9 ki 8 difference Andy? 1 part. 1 part is equal to how many years difference? 4 years difference, Andy. Next, the ratio of their ages after 5 years. After 5 years age ratio is given, guys, here. 9:8 అనేది ఆఫ్టర్ 5 years తర్వాత. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద ప్రజెంట్ ఏజ్, రైట్? ప్రజెంట్ ఏజ్ ఆఫ్ ప్రవీణ్. సో ఫస్ట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద ప్రవీణ్స్ ఏజ్ ఆఫ్టర్ 5 years. So after 5 years, Praveen's age is how many parts? 9 parts. One part is how many years? 4 years. 9 fours are 36 years. ఈ 36 years ఎప్పుడండి? ఆఫ్టర్ 5 years తర్వాత. బట్ మనం ఏం కావాలి? ఆఫ్టర్ 5 ప్రజెంట్ ఏజ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. అంటే 36 minus 5, 31 years. ఓకే, ఆప్షన్ 2 ఇస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్ గైస్. ఓకే, ఇలా సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు, లేదా ఆప్షన్ వెరిఫికేషన్ వెళ్ళిపోదామండి. సో 32, 31, 24, 28 అండి. ఇచ్చిన ఆప్షన్స్ ఎప్పుడు ఏజెస్ అండి? ప్రజెంట్ ఏజెస్ అండి. ఇచ్చిన రేషియో ఏమో ఆఫ్టర్ 5 years అండి. అందుకే సింపుల్ గా అన్నిటికీ 5 years 5 years యాడ్ చేద్దామండి సింపుల్ గా. ఎందుకంటే ఆఫ్టర్ 5 years ఏజ్ రేషియో ఇస్ గివెన్. 32 plus 5, 37. 32 plus 5, 31 plus 5, 36. 24 plus 5, 29. 28 plus 5, 33 అండి. Go through option verification guys. We have to find out the percentage of Praveen. Praveen is how many parts here? 9 parts. So 37 is a multiples of 9. No one D. So that's why first option is a wrong option. Next, 29 is a multiples of 9. No one D. That's why wrong and D. 33 is a multiples of 9. No one D. That's why wrong and D. 36 is a multiples of 9. Yes, 9 fours are 36. That's why option 2 is the right answer guys. Clear and all of you? Any doubts regarding this problem guys? Right Andy. And move on to next one. The ratio of ages of two persons is 5:9 and the age of one of them is greater than the other by 40 years. The sum of their ages in years is. So previous question ఏంటండి ఇక్కడ, బట్ నెంబర్స్ చేంజ్ ఉన్నాయి అంతే. మీరు ఫాస్ట్ గా ప్రాబ్లంలో గ్రేటర్ దెన్ వచ్చినప్పుడు, సింపుల్ గా గివెన్ రేషియోని యాడ్ చేయండి. 5 + 9 ఎంత అండి? 14. 14 డివిజిబుల్ ఏమో చెక్ చేయండి ఒకసారి. 14 తో మల్టిపుల్ అయ్యే ఆప్షన్ ఏముంది? ఓన్లీ ఆప్షన్ 2 మాత్రమే 14 తో డివిజిబుల్ అవుతుంది. దట్స్ వై ఆప్షన్ 2 ఇస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్ అండి. గ్రేటర్ దెన్ ఉన్నప్పుడు మాత్రమే ఇలా సాల్వ్ చేయండి అండి. క్లియర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ? లేదు సార్, ప్రీవియస్ గా మీరు ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేసి అలా సాల్వ్ చేయమన్నా నో ఇష్యూ అండి, సాల్వ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. Any doubts regarding this problem guys? Right, move on to next one అండి. The ratio between Sumit and Prakash age at present is 2:3. Sumit is 6 years younger than Prakash. The ratio of Sumit age to Prakash age after 6 years will be. After 6 years will be. Good question Andy. What is the answer? I think no need pen and paper Andy. Yeah, somebody saying answer 3:4. Very good, excellent Andy. రైట్, ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్ నేను ఇది ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేస్తానంటే సింపుల్ గా గివెన్ రేషియోకి సో +1 యాడ్ చేస్తానండి. +1 యాడ్ చేస్తే 3:4. దట్స్ వై ఆప్షన్ 4 ఇస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్ అని చెప్పేయచ్చండి ఈజీగా. ఐ థింక్ నో నీడ్ పెన్ అండ్ పేపర్ అండి. ఫస్ట్ రీడ్ ద క్వశ్చన్ ప్రాపర్లీ. క్వశ్చన్ అర్థమైతే ఆటోమేటిక్ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుందండి. ఓకేనా? రైట్, +1 ఎందుకు యాడ్ చేస్తామో తర్వాత చెప్తానండి. ఫస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు బేసిక్ మెథడ్ గైస్. రైట్, the ratio between Sumit and Prakash age at present 2:3 అండి. Sumit is 6 years younger than Prakash. Younger అన్న సో లెసర్ అన్న మరి we are checking, elder అన్న we are checking difference అండి. 2 కి 3 కి డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత? 1 part. 1 part is equal to how many years అండి? 6 years అండి. 1 part is equal to how many years? 6 years అండి. Right. First find out the Sumit age. So 2 into 6. 2 6 are 12. Find out the Prakash age. 3 into 6. So 3 6 are 18. Right అండి. 12 years 18 years ఎప్పుడండి? 12 years and problem I am find out చేయాలి. The ratio of Sumit age and Prakash after 6 years. So 12 years 18 years present age అండి. కాకపోతే మనం ఏం చేయాలి, ఆఫ్టర్ 6 years తర్వాత ఏజ్ రేషియో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. అంటే ఆఫ్టర్ అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏంటి, ప్లస్ కదా, 12 + 6 ఎంత, 18, 18 + 6 ఎంత, 24. Let me calculate. 6 3s and 6 4s. Then answer is how much, guys? 3:4. Clear and all of you? Option 4 is the right answer. Any doubts regarding this problem, guys? Any doubts? రైట్ అండి. ఇప్పుడు +1 ఎందుకు యాడ్ చేస్తున్నా సింపుల్ గా చెప్తానండి. చాలా మంది ఏంటంటే, సో ఈ ప్రొసీజర్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ సుమిత్ ఏజ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తారు, ప్రకాష్ ఏజ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తారు, ఆఫ్టర్ 6 years యాడ్ చేస్తారు, దాన్ని క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తారు, వీళ్ళు ఏడదా ఆన్సర్ వస్తుందండి. ఇదంతా టైం వేస్ట్ అండి. సింపుల్ గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేద్దాం. 1 part is equal to how many years? 6 years అండి. 1 part is equal to how many years? 6 years. 6 years is equal to how many parts అండి? 1 part అండి. 1 part is equal to 6 years అయితే 6 years is equal to how many parts? 1 part. సో మీరు అందరూ ఏం చేశారు, ఇక్కడ వాళ్ళ ఏజ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి 6 years యాడ్ చేసుకుంటూ వచ్చారు. నేనేం చెప్తున్నాను, 6 years యాడ్ చేయొద్దు, 6 years బదులు సింపుల్ గా 1 part యాడ్ చేయండి. విల్ గెట్ ద సేమ్ ఆన్సర్. క్లియర్ అండి? 6 years బదులు 1 part యాడ్ చేశాను, అందుకే +1 యాడ్ చేశాను. దాని ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ 3:4 అండి. Is it clear, guys, all of you? Okay, right, Andy. Move on to next one. If 4 years ago the ratio between the ages of P and Q was 5:6, and the sum of their ages at present is 52 years, what is the ratio of their age, their present ages? So what is the answer, guys? Which option is the right answer? రైట్, సింపుల్ గా అండి ఈ ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చినప్పుడు నేను క్లియర్ గా, సో సింపుల్ గా +1 యాడ్ చేస్తానండి. ఎందుకు యాడ్ చేస్తాం తర్వాత చెప్తాం. ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ 6:7. ఆప్షన్ 2 ఇస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్ అని చెప్పేయచ్చండి క్లియర్ గా. రైట్, సో +1 ఎందుకు యాడ్ చేస్తాం తర్వాత చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ గోయింగ్ టు బేసిక్ మెథడ్ అండి. 4 years ago, right? The given information 4 years ago ratio is given 5:6 అండి. And the sum of their age, present age అండి. The sum of present age P plus Q. The present sum age is ఎంతండి? 52 years అండి. 4 years ago their ages was how much, guys? Present two persons age is 52 years. 4 years ago their ages was how much, guys? 44 years అండి. అండ్ P కి 4 years, Q కి 4 years అండి. Total 8 years subtraction, guys, here. Total 8 years subtraction. Right? Both age ఎంతండి? 5 plus 6, 11 parts. 11 parts is equal to 44 years అయితే 1 part ఎంత అవుతుందండి? 4 years అవుతుంది. First find out the PA. P is how many parts here? 5 parts. 5 4s are 5 4s are 20. And second Q is how many years? 6 parts. 6 4s are 24 అండి. 20 years 24 years ఎప్పుడు? 4 years ago అండి. మనకేం కావాలి? ప్రజెంట్ కావాలి. 4 years ago 20 years అయితే ప్రజెంట్ ఏజ్ ఎంత అవుతుందండి? 24 అవుతుంది. 4 years ago Q age was 24 years. Now present age ఎంత అండి? 24 years అండి. Let me calculate, guys, here. Okay, 4 6 and 4 7s. So then answer is 6:7 and 6:7 అండి. ఓకేనా? రైట్, సో ఇది మొత్తం చేయొద్దండి. ఐ థింక్ ఇట్స్ టైం వేస్ట్ అండి. సింపుల్ గా సాల్వ్ చేద్దాం మనం. 1 part is equal to how many years, guys? 4 years. 4 years is equal to how many parts, guys, here? 1 part. సో మీరందరూ ఏం చేశారు? వాళ్ళిద్దరు ఏజ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి సింపుల్ గా 4 ఇయర్స్ యాడ్ చేశారు. నేనేం చెప్తున్నాను, 4 ఇయర్స్ బదులు సింపుల్ గా వన్ పార్ట్ యాడ్ చేయండి, విల్ గెట్ ద సేమ్ ఆన్సర్ గైస్. క్లియర్ అండ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. సో సేమ్ మోడల్ ప్రాబ్లం అండి, స్మాల్ చేంజెస్ అంతే. Clear guys, all of you? Any doubts regarding this problem? And move on to next one, Andy. The ratio of the present ages of two boys is 3:4. After 3 years, the ratio of their ages is equal to will be 4:5. The ratio of their ages after 21 years will be, after 21 years will be. Same question and same model but numbers change and so 10 is to 11. Very good, excellent, Andy. So the given information 3 is to 4 అండి. సింపుల్ గా 7 parts యాడ్ చేయండి అండి. సో దెన్ 10 is to 11 విల్ గెట్ ద ఆన్సర్ గైస్. 10 is to 11. ఎందుకు +7 యాడ్ చేసాం చెక్ చేద్దామండి. సో ద గివెన్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ 3 is to 4. ఆఫ్టర్ 3 years అన్నాడు, 4 is to 5. ఫస్ట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద బోత్ ఏజ్ అండి. టూ బాయ్స్ ఏజ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేద్దాం. ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు షార్ట్ కట్ మెథడ్ గైస్ హియర్, రైట్? సో 3 5s are 15. 4 4s are 16. Difference is how much? 1. 4 5 difference is how much? 1. First find out the first person. For example, A. So first person is how many parts here? 3 parts. So after how many years? 3 years. 3 3s are 9 into first step 2 difference by step 1 difference. First person age is how many years? 9 years. Find out the second person. So 3 4s are 12 into 1 by 1. Then 12 years only. So both ages how much? 9 years, 12 years only. So we have to find out the after 21 years only. After 21. 9 plus 21, 12 plus 21. 9 plus 21 is how much? 30. 12 plus 21 is how much? 33. Let me calculate. So 3 tens are, 3 11s are. 10 is to 11. So that's why option 4 is the right answer. Clear and all of you? ఓకే రైట్. సో మరి +7 ఎందుకు యాడ్ చేసాం క్లియర్ గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేద్దామండి. రైట్ అండి. ప్రజెంట్ 2% ఏజ్ రేషియో ఇస్ హౌ మచ్? 3:4. ఆఫ్టర్ 3 years ఏజ్ రేషియో ఇస్ హౌ మచ్? 4:5 అండి. అంటే ప్రజెంట్ కి ఆఫ్టర్ 3 years కి, అంటే ఆఫ్టర్ 3 years డిగ్రీ మనకి సో ఇంక్రీజ్ అయింది. ఆఫ్టర్ 3 years కి డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత ఉంది? +1 ఉంది. అదే సెకండ్ పర్సన్ కూడా డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత ఉంది? +1 ఉంది. రైట్. అంటే 1 part is equal to how many years అండి? 1 part is equal to how many years అండి? 3 years అండి. మనకేం కావాలి? 21 years కావాలి. 3 years 21 years అంటే how many times అయిందండి? 7 times అయింది. 7 3s are 21. అంటే ఇక్కడ కూడా 7 times చేయాల్సిందే కదా. 1 into 7, 7 parts. 7 parts is equal to 21 years అండి. సింపుల్ గా మీరు ఏం చేస్తున్నారు? 21 years యాడ్ చేస్తున్నారు. నేనేం చేస్తున్నాను? సింపుల్ గా +7 +1 చేస్తున్నానండి. +7 అంటే how many 7 parts అంటే how many years అండి? 21 years అండి. Clear and all of you? Any doubts regarding this problem, guys? ఓకే రైట్ అండి. ఇంకా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఆర్ ఏజెస్ లో ఎన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ సాల్వ్ చేసేసరే మనం. సో ఇలాగే సాల్వ్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోతామండి. బట్ రీడ్ ద క్వశ్చన్ ప్రాపర్లీ అండి. మీరు క్వశ్చన్ ప్రాపర్ గా రీడ్ చేస్తే విల్ గెట్ ద ఆన్సర్ గైస్. విల్ గెట్ ద ఆన్సర్. క్లియర్ అండ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ? ఎనీ డౌట్స్ రిగార్డింగ్ టుడే సెషన్ గైస్? సో ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ ప్లీజ్ రెస్పాండ్ ఇన్ చాట్ బాక్స్. సో ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అని ఏజెస్ సంబంధించిన హ్యాండ్ అవుట్ ఫార్వర్డ్ చేస్తాను, ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ఎనీ డౌట్స్ ఉంటే వాట్సాప్ లో పింక్ చేయండి, డెఫినెట్లీ మీకు రిప్లై ఇస్తానండి. సో హ్యాండ్ అవుట్స్ రీచ్ అయినాయి అన్ని ఇప్పటివరకు ఏ టాపిక్స్ క్లియర్ అయినా మనకి ఆ టాపిక్ సంబంధించిన హ్యాండ్ అవుట్స్ రీచ్ అయ్యాయా? Yes or no? All of you got the handouts అండి. ఓకే వెరీ గుడ్ అండి. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. అండ్ ఇన్ కేస్ డౌట్స్ వస్తే పింక్ చేయండి అండి. మీకు హ్యాండ్అవుట్స్ సంబంధించిన ఎనీ డౌట్స్ ఉంటే సో వాట్సాప్లో పింక్ చేయండి. ఆల్రెడీ నా వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్ మీ దగ్గర ఉంది అండ్ చెక్ చేసి పింక్ చేసుకోండి. క్లియర్ అండి. ఎనీ డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అడగండి. అదర్వైజ్ దెన్ లీవ్ ఇట్, విల్ కంటిన్యూ టుమారో గైస్. వన్స్ అగైన్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ రేషియోనా అంటే రేషియో అంటే ఏం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలి? వాట్ ఇస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ రేషియో అనే? Ratio, what is the meaning of ratio? For example, 30 rupees is to 60 liters. What is the ratio అని అనుకోండి? రేషియో అండ్ ప్రపోర్షన్ టాపిక్. ఓకే లాస్ట్ చెక్ చేద్దామంటే నో ప్రాబ్లం అండి, ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. నో ప్రాబ్లం అండి. సో రేషియో అండ్ ప్రపోర్షన్ ఓకే సింప్లిఫికేషన్ అండి. ఎంతవరకు మనం దాన్ని సాల్వ్ చేయగలము అంతవరకు మనం క్యాన్సిల్ చేసుకుంటామండి. సిమిలారిటీ అనమాట. సిమిలారిటీ సింపుల్ గా చాలా మంది ఏం చెప్తారు 1:2 అని చెప్తారు. ఇట్స్ రాంగ్ ఆన్సర్. వై? బికాస్ హియర్ ఈస్ గివెన్ 30 రూపీస్ అండ్ 60 liters అండి. సో రేషియో మీన్స్ టూ క్వాంటిటీస్ ఆర్ సేమ్ యూనిట్స్. ఇట్స్ కాల్డ్ ద రేషియో. 30 rupees, 60 rupees. Then answer is 1:10. 2 అండి. సో టాపిక్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తానంటే నో ప్రాబ్లం అండి. కావాలంటే ఒకసారి మీ యూట్యూబ్లో వీడియోస్ ఉన్నాయి, ఒకసారి చెక్ చేసుకోవచ్చు మీరు. So any doubts guys? No doubts? Okay, then leave it guys. We'll continue tomorrow.